Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Dusclops. Dusclops the Beacon Pokemon. He's a ghost type. There is no escape from anything absorbed into its hollow body of Dusclops. When it waves its hands and focuses its single eye, it can entrance a foe to do its will. And another fact is that Seeking driftly a will-o-wisp and sucks anything into its empty body. See what happens inside is a mystery. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, so there's his body here. There we go. Okay, okay, we're almost done. Okay, there's his body. There we go. Next up, here's his thumb. I've seen Dusclops in a bunch of episodes and the movie Jirachi Wishmaker, even though I haven't seen it actually. Wait, almost done. And done. That's how you draw Dusclops. Pretty awesome. Hold on a sec. I think the foot's a bit too big. There we go. Now that is how you draw Dusclops. Pretty amazing, don't you think? I've seen a bunch of. I thought that dusclops and dust noir were the. I thought that in the Hoenn region, dusclops and dust skull are the only one of its kind in the Hoenn region. But in Sinnoh, they discovered that dusclops can evolve into dust noir. You could trade it using a Reaper's cloth and then evolving, and then that's how it evolves. So that's kind of about it. So what's your favorite Pokemon, guys? If there's any favorite you like, you can just come to me, and I'll draw down that Pokemon for you. Anyways, that's all the time I have for now. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what character I'll draw you guys next. See ya!